Hi, welcome to the Workspace settings video. Your Workspace settings are located in 3 areas. First, to the left in the taskbar, located in the Workspace settings tab. Here you can add your logo, change your time zone, and more. The next location is at the top. Here you can control what workspace you are working on. For example, if you have multiple clients, you can manage them all right here in one place. And finally, navigate over to the right-hand side. Select the Your Settings tab. Here you can change your dashboard language, time zone, and more. Let's head back to the main dashboard. Now, let's configure the Workspace settings, located to the left in the taskbar. Select the Workspace settings tab here. Here you can add your logo that will be added to your workspace. An image you could use would be something like your logo. Here is your Workspace ID. The Workspace ID is just a number that can be used for development purposes via the API, or if you need support, we may ask for your Workspace ID. Next up is setting your Workspace time zone. Let's go ahead and select our own time zone. Here, you can configure the actual display of your flow builder. Currently, there are 11 different themes you could choose from. To view all the displays, you can head over to our support documentation, where you can get a better idea of how you would like the flow builder to look. Alternatively, you could use our most popular theme design, which is called Jelly Bean. You can also change the display once you are in the actual flow builder itself. Located at the top of the dashboard is where you can add additional admins, team members, or supporting staff to your workspace. Simply add their email address here. Then select what the role you want to enable. You can read more about the level access details in our support docs. Then, once you're happy, simply press the Send Invite button. As mentioned earlier, at the top here is where you can manage multiple workspaces for clients or create a new workspace for yourself. The final place to configure your settings is over to the right-hand side here. Within this Settings tab, you can set your preferred language that will be displayed in your workspace. So, for example, let's select Spanish. Once you save the settings, head back into the main dashboard. You will now see the language has now changed throughout. Let's head back and change it back to the default language, which is English. Next, you can set your time zone and also the time formatting here. Great, we're almost done. Next, head over to the Security tab. Here, you can update your password details if required. And just below, this is where you can set your two-factor authentication, or commonly known as 2FA. Let's return to the main dashboard. In the next video of this Getting Started with Flochat mini-series, you'll learn how to connect your favorite messaging channels. This will enable your conversational AI to provide even better support for your customers.